truck that ploughed into 3 cars at the bottom of the southeastern freeway, killing 2 people in 2014, has given evidence for the first time. Natasha Kramer was in court. Natasha, what did the driver have to say?
Well, the man who can't be identified for legal reasons has spoken out against the company he worked for at the time. Today, he told the court it was his first week in the job and the first time he'd ever driven a manual truck unsupervised. He says he had a full load as he drove down the freeway on August 18th and was travelling around 65 kilometres an hour, even though the speed limit was 100. But as he approached the bottom of the hill, the vehicle quickly picked up speed. He told the court he was standing on the brakes to try to lower his speed. However, within a few seconds, an alarm sounded, signalling there was no air in the brakes, and he ultimately lost control. Despite losing her husband in the crash, Jan Spieth supports the driver and says the truck was more than 30 years old and shouldn't have been on the road.
That's actually given our family peace, because we knew that he'd only been in the company 1 week, that he'd only driven that truck that morning. So if the disaster, I don't call it an accident, this was no accident, this was a disaster.
The charges against the driver were dropped last year. The company he was working for at the time, Cleanaway, is facing 7 counts of failing to comply with the health and safety duty.
All right, thanks very much, Natasha.